knew. Something told me I needed to. Hold on, y'all. Let me take care of the men in my house real quick. Give me a second. Hey, y'all. What's up? It's Snow, and you're back here at Snow by the Day. It is I'm coming to you kind of. I have to come back to this. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Snow, and you're back here at Snow by the Day. As you can see, I am barefaced. I'm at home. They have canceled school. Well, first of all, it is February 21st, I think. It's Monday, and they've canceled my school for the next 2 days because our school's pipes have busted. Y'all know the Texas storm has came through and threw all of us Texans for a loop, and the loop just continues. The snow is gone, the sun is shining. I think it's like 50 degrees, and I think tomorrow's gonna be like 70 degrees. But anyways, our pipes are busted at our school, so they have to fix that before staff or students can come in. So I have today and I have tomorrow off, so I was like, let's really work on this cleaning situation. The house was already a mess after being in here for a week, and then half of the week I didn't have water, so cleanliness was out of the window. But today I really wanted to focus on my planner nook. I have this little corner with a little desk and my little planner cart. And it is out of control, and it's getting to the point where I cannot functionally plan. I can't get my stickers together because my stickers are everywhere. Stuff is everywhere. So today I wanted to take the time to, get that together. And so that's what we're going to be doing on this video. I'm going to be sitting watching Housewives of Atlanta because yesterday that episode came out with, the dungeon or whatever. So I'm going to catch up on that and sip on some wine and just get this cart together because it's a mess. So let me show y'all what this cart is looking like. Okay, hold on. This right here is my planning cart. It's a hot mess. I don't know why I continue to put unused or cut stickers, washi right here. It just works for me, okay? I just be in the mood. I be playing with stickers. I be doing the playing with me's with y'all, and I just sit stickers on here and I just never take it off. At least you can say my cart is used, okay? It is used and it is loved, but it's out of control. So we're gonna fix it today. And I think I'm gonna first get all the stickers off, and then I'm gonna start from the bottom to the top because there's stuff at the bottom too. See? There's stuff everywhere. So yeah. I mean, if your cart looks anything like mine, you might as well pull that sucker over to, and let's just start cleaning. Cue the music. Let's go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Otis, you crazy mother. What we do here is go back.
Otis. McDonald. Otis.
So this is the bottom. I'm so tired. I just made the bottom level like supplies. So it has like the laminator, the cut board, the punch blocks. It has some leftover inserts, some things for my you know, or the little camera where you take the picture and then you can print off small pictures. I have that, and just like some leftover inserts, leftover dashboards, stuff like that. Y'all saw, it's just a supply bottom down there. This stuff that I usually don't access a lot. And then I have this, don't mind the dust. Everything is gonna get wiped down and stuff after this video, like after I'm done. I did throw out a couple of things to make everything fit. I don't know. I don't know if I want to get like a Hudson card, because I feel like then that would give me more room to expand and buy more things, and I need to use the things that I have. So yeah, once again, don't mind the dust. Just a pen. That's a candle holder. That is a candle holder as well, and that has markers. And this has just like pens and, you know, a gift card to cut washi tape, hole punchers in the back, my ruler, some dividers that I got from Amazon, and another thing of washi. I did try to group, like these washis are washi that I use consistently, or like I know when I'm about to do a spread, I usually combine these washis together. And yeah, and then we come up here to the top. Whew. So these are all the ones I have. They're not in a particular order at this point because I don't know how I want my stickers to be organized. Quite frankly, I use all of them. I know the ones in the back are like some of my first ones, but everything after that, nothing's in chronological order or anything. As you see, I use like these binder holders. I like the binder holders over the ribbon that they come with. Like, I know that usually planner babes take this and put it at the top, but I just prefer these because I still like, well, you can't tell because I just stuck things in here, but when I'm done, I usually do like use this to keep everything closed and whatnot. So the top is all stickers. I put my loose leaf stickers in the back, like the ones from like the Dollar Tree and just loose leaf stuff. These are loose leaves that I've pulled out of these sticker books, but I'm gonna put them back eventually, probably when I get done with this video and I take a breather because your girl is tired. And then I just kind of group these together either by company or sizes. Dollar Tree, Chrissy Ann. These are the Paper Studios, the LOL Paper Studios. I think this is Recollection. Then I have my small but loved collection of Capital Chic Designs, and then I have my Walmart sticker books. So yeah, y'all, I'm so happy how this came out. Let me say my goodbyes. I'm gonna flip y'all over. So yeah, y'all, I'm tired. As y'all see, there's more sticker books over here. Don't mind that. That's for a spread that's coming up, and I usually pull out all my stickers. So, but I now have ample room and space to put those back when I'm done in the right area. Maybe I can, I mean, y'all, my planner nook is literally just this area. I mean, the desk gets cluttery a lot because it's a small desk, but hey, if I put things where they're supposed to be, it won't be that cluttered. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm tired. I don't know if you're tired from watching it. Girl, I broke a sweat. Time for another cup. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click that button. It's nothing but a click of the button. It's not hard. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.